1 year passed, I am in contact with Buddha CEO. I'm feeling very excited about this. I'm feeling as if it is my birthday. And because a lot of transformation has taken place. So, first of all, the science behind this has excited me. Science behind the meditation about each and everything has excited me. And then the manifestation. In the beginning, I used to not understand the heart elevation process, but slowly, when I came into touch with it, I started understanding it better than manifestation. So I started manifesting about my school because at that time it was COVID and I was under depression because at home so many discussions were going on to wind up the school and all. So I was thinking 23 years I was running my school. I said all of a sudden how to wind up the school. But I started manifesting and I started getting strength from each and every day of the sessions. I started manifesting about my school. I said no, I want to run the school as it is, at least for some more years. Then luckily what happened was in the beginning, my family started saying, okay, you just go to Kakinada. I was with my children for 5 months. I was there and I was nicely listening to all the sessions comfortably and I was gaining knowledge. So he said, okay, go and see the position of the school and then you decide. But by the time the discussions were still stronger and they made me a little bit depressed. Then I had decided I should hand over to the school to somebody and go back and relax with my children. But what happened was when I opened the school, when people started coming, when parents started coming, they were talking it so nicely, and the defaulters who were supposed to. And before this, I spoke to Vani madam. I just wanted to say, Vani madam said, no, don't give up, madam. You have manifested, everything will go on well with you, and you just believe in you. So I was believing in myself because I know that I'm a good teacher. I was leading the school very well, and parents, everyone was happy with me. And everything I was enjoying in my school. So I was confident about myself, and again I started manifesting. The things started changing slowly. And when my owner came to know that, school owner came to know that, he said, no, Nirmala, why are you winding up? Why are you handing over to somebody at least? No, you have to run out. Don't worry. If there is anything, I'll support you. Then I said, sir, I want to renew. I want to go for renewal and all. I want your support. And all these years, I was having a doubt about you. No problem at all. I will just support you. Everything will go on well. So like this, slowly things started turning very well with me. And then I have dropped the idea of winding up and handing over to somebody at least. Then slowly, actually, I wanted to take some financial support from my family. I was thinking. And when I discussed with my family, with my children and my husband, they said, no, nothing, no need of taking any financial support from others. But after some days, what happened was when when the idea of third wave came, I was a little bit low and I was again thinking of talking to somebody. Suddenly, my youngest brother-in-law, who is in US, he called me out and he started discussing about my school. I said, Badina, how is going on that and this? I said, yeah, everything is okay, but I just couldn't ask. It was there in my mind to ask support, but he suddenly said, I came to know that you were a little bit depressed and you wanted to wind up your school. I said, yeah, I was thinking, but what to do? I didn't expect this third wave, fourth wave, and all this. So again, I'm getting a little bit low. Said, just don't worry. I know the passion towards your school. You don't expect anything much, but you're having a lot of interest towards them. So you just don't wind up. I'll give you the support. I was so happy because without just my thought just passed. I felt. I didn't even ask him. I said, yeah, Prabha, I just wanted to ask support, but you yourself came forward. So with all these good things, support and all, I'm running the school, sir, and I'm feeling very happy about it. And I became more mindful while cooking, while eating, while talking. Each and everything has turned to be mindful. And my relationships with my family also has improved. The way Lawrence has said, respond rather than react. This and the inner talk, that is also working out very well with me. So as the relationship started increasing, I am feeling more happy about it, and people are also happy with me. gratitude is bringing a lot of change in me. Of course, I used to teach my children to say thanks for each and everything, and my students also. So like that, I was okay. But we take for granted our parents, our teachers, and who have already taught us. So this session has taught me that every day remembering about my parents, about teachers, and the policies. For example, the policies which has disturbed me, I used to grumble and I used to say what not things. Now I stopped complaining about all the policies of governments, everything. That is giving me little bit of peace of mind, because after the discussions it disturbs us, isn't it? So that is also giving me peace of mind. And my passion is music and drawing. Again, I started learning music and drawing. Of course, I have to start again. So all my passions which took backbench, they are coming again, and it is giving me little bit of strength and little bit of feeling of goodness, I can say. And about my family, my co-sister, my sister-in-law, then one of my co-sister's children all turned to be vegetarian. So because of sharing my knowledge with them. Then my daughter also, before planning itself, she also turned to be vegetarian. And recently, even my daughter-in-law, she has seen my way of talking and all. In those 5 months, she has observed. Actually, from 2 years, I have been telling her, see, when you are planning for a child, you please become vegetarian. But she just took it for granted. But just for months back, she also became vegetarian. And my grandson is meditating. That is giving me a lot of happiness. He's telling in his family, his grandparents. One day, father sat for 5 or 10 minutes and he was waking up. He said, no, you should do for 40 minutes, daddy. I can do for 5 or 10 minutes, but you should do for 40 minutes per session, he was telling. And the other day, he asked for crystal for meditation on his birthday. I was so happy how the idea has come that he has to ask a crystal for his birthday. And I'm immensely very happy, sir. And it's all because I gained strength after attending these sessions, because I used to have all negativity in me, limiting beliefs I used to have, because long back we used to plan for our own building and we couldn't do it. I was thinking, no, we cannot afford it, that and this. I used to feel all this because of all these limiting beliefs, we couldn't afford. But now I am feeling I can do something much more than this. Anyway, better late than never. I have transformed myself, sir, only because of this, and I will continue this. All wonderful things are happening, sir. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Because I just wanted to share, because I have seen so many people going back after traveling for some days in the spirituality. Even for me, 2 times it happened. One time was very bad thing has happened in my school and it had disturbed me. And that time also meditation has taken a backbench, and luckily I came back. And the other time, from March to July till I attended these sessions, I was under depression. I was thinking, what has happened? Why it has happened only to me? Now I know how to think. My thinking, this also has changed. How to think, how to know my purpose of life, where I'm getting happiness. I'm really getting happiness in the school. I have realized that. So I didn't give up. And I'm sure that universe will help me, because my purpose, my intent, everything is clear. I'm clear in my thoughts. I know that I can help many students and many parents in my school.